Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, kniyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila ban lej puli da ka education loan. Pila urban chukol ha number khandai nyo saw san rio pranon lani khandai pran rio license an riway khandai pra.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikin kuit bha benar kam daka Oswell su hila banyo na barok kidukan.
Manipur has been in turmoil, what to do and what steps to take, and this is the second step we have.
Kum kadak Jingsngewlem halor ke Jingjia ka balaja Manipur ka kunhun kinong yalam nyam na gibalang ba prepare balatep kum ka North East India Christian Council kala pelong na Thang Mombati la pelong yang ni Thang Mombati All Saints Cathedral, Shillong.
Christian Council stands in solidarity with the suffering people of Manipur amidst the ongoing unrest in the state. Therefore, as leaders and representatives of various churches, church bodies in and around Shillong gathered this evening to pray for the restoration of peace and harmony in the state, the strife-torn state of Manipur. The citizens of Manipur has desperately hoped that violence would cease after the visit of the Honorable Home Minister of India, Shri Amit Shah. However, to the great dismay, the situation on the ground remained unchanged, bringing about a significant setback and deepening the anguish of the affected population. It has been more than a month we are witnessing a situation where reconciliation seems to be a distant dream. In fact, the situation has made everyone across Manipur to become so rigid and parochial that no one seems to think and act for the good and welfare of the state, especially for those who have suffered due to the unmindful violence, by bringing the churches in Northeast India together in this place to have this candlelight vigil as organized with the following intentions as below. Number 1, to pray and express our solidarity with the families of those who have lost their loved ones, those who have been left homeless with nothing and displaced to different places within the state, and those who have suffered the psychological scars by witnessing violence and death being perpetrated to their near and dear ones, women, children, aged people, the sick and the defenseless. Number 2, to pray for the church, religious community leaders across the society to have the wisdom, understanding and responsibility to come together to initiate the process of reconciliation. 3, to pray for the suffering, to pray for safeguarding religious freedom in Manipur, as it has been reported more than 300 religious places of worship have been burned down and destroyed, signaling the loss of the freedom of worship in many places and manifesting particular hatred towards certain religious traditions. To pray for the leaders and those in power in the state of Manipur and in our country, that concrete steps may address the situation and issues therein in order that their problems may be resolved. Fifth, this vigil appeal to all leaders across the social and political spectrum in Northeast India to come together because we believe they can play a vital role for restoration of peace in Manipur.